Hello kids! Today we will learn how to blend consonant, vowel, consonant sounds to form words, making reading fun and easy. Are you ready to read some three-letter words with me?
You are watching Kids.
Okay kids, let's begin.
Yay!
First, we need to say the sound of each letter. Then it's time to blend each letter sound together. Let's start with our first word. Are you ready, kids?
Yay!
Okay, let's start. D, O, Da, G. Now let's blend them. Dog. Thumbs up, kids. Now let's proceed to the next one. Now let's read this one. H, O, Ha, T. Now let's bend. Hot.
Yay!
Now we are off to our next word. Time to read this one. K, O, Ko, T. Let's blend them together. Caught. Now let's jump to the next one. D, O, Da, T. Now let's blend them. Dot. Now going to the next one.
Yay!
F, A, Fa, G. Now let's blend them. Fog.
Yay!
Amazing kids. Well done.
Subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next